This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Chrome is up to date. This avoids extension conflicts. Next, sign in or create a Zenmate account so settings sync. Open the Chrome Web Store and install Zenmate. Click Add to Chrome, then accept permissions. Once done, pin the extension to the toolbar for quick access and make sure you grant any prompted permissions. This enables the extension to manage connections and route traffic. These are the first actionable steps to start using Zenmate on Chrome now. After installing, open Zenmate and sign in with your account credentials. This unlocks premium servers if you subscribed. Choose a server location manually for a targeted IP or use Quick Connect to pick the fastest nearby node. Make sure to enable WebRTC leak protection and automatic HTTPS to prevent IP leaks and force secure connections. If you need only certain sites routed, configure split tunneling. This keeps local services on your ISP while sending the rest through Zenmate. These steps optimize privacy and speed. To finalize, verify your IP has changed by visiting an IP check site and confirming the chosen country. If pages still show the old IP, make sure no other VPN or proxy is running, and disable Chrome proxies under Settings. Conflicts often block connections. Clear cache and try reconnecting, and if the extension fails, restart Chrome. As a key troubleshooting tip, reinstall Zenmate only after removing it and restarting Chrome. This resolves corrupted extension states and usually restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.